Your diecast is served.
Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a M2 Machines special edition here, or it says limited special. It's a MOONEYES 71 Chevy Van G10. It's got a little MOONEYES livery with a surfboard on the top, and it says limited to 1,000 pieces. So pretty nice one. I got this one directly from MOONEYES here in California. Not sure where else you can buy it, or if it's only sold through their retail outlet. But that's where I found it. So, and they also sent, along with that, they sent a little kind of a postcard that shows upcoming MOONEYES Christmas party. In-N-Out Burger, rain or shine, Pomona drag strip. So where is this at? I guess Pomona drag strip? Is there still a Pomona drag strip? Or is it at In-N-Out Burger? I guess I'll have to look that up. And on the back, oh yeah, Pomona Fairplex. So I guess In-N-Out Burger's a sponsor. Registration starts September 21st or September 1st, 2025, and the event is December 20th. So if you're around that area, check that out. That'd be cool. And along with that, they also sent a little MOONEYES sticker. So that's pretty cool. And let me get this out. Usually what I do on these, I just cut around the bottom. That way, I just cut around the bottom. That way I can take it out and I can still put this back in and save the packaging for the... I only do that on the more limited ones, but the other ones I just get rid of it. But here's the van right off the bat. Some nice wheels on it. Got a little piece of plastic holding the surfboard on. I'm sure that probably doesn't stay up there, so. But yeah, pretty cool casting. Let me get that off of the base. Yeah, I personally like a lot of the vans and wagons, because when I was growing up, that's what a lot of my family members had, vans and wagons. I remember my dad and my uncles were all into custom vans, I guess late 70s, early 80s. And I mean, everybody had custom vans. That's pretty cool. Glad I grew up in that era. And here it is, but yeah, it definitely, the surfboard does definitely not stay on. But that's alright. It'd be cool to set up next to it, or some kind of little diorama or something. Got a little MOONEYES on the bottom of it, and then MOONEYES on the top. And yeah, here's the van. Pretty cool. Kind of like a 70s vibe to the livery. Go with moon on the front. You got some lensed headlights. Nice separate chrome grille and bumper. Wheels are pretty nice and looking period correct. One of the cool things is They got the chrome around the windshield. I think that's just a decal that goes around that, but it looks pretty cool. And what does that say on there? Kind of hard to see. Something speed and custom accessories. Can't really make that out. Speed equipment and custom accessories, maybe. Got some side pipes, metal base. This part, I think it's plastic. That back half right there, you can kind of see the difference in the colors where it's plastic. But nice tires. Lens tail lights, little MOONEYES plate. Got some more MOONEYES branding on the back. And this one in particular sits pretty low. And it rolls real good. I'm not sure if they meant to do this, but the actual eyes in the moon logo look a little light, like maybe it could have been I don't know if that's color bleed through the white or if they meant for it to look like that, but usually it's a little brighter white like that. But either way, doesn't matter to me. It's pretty cool. To me, it just looks kind of like period correct. So, but yeah, just a quick little video there, and like I said, that one's limited to 1,000 pieces. So let me know what you guys think about that one. I think it's pretty awesome. M2 did a good job on that casting. Doesn't have any mirrors or anything, but it's got some wiper detail, and yeah, it's pretty good overall. So I will throw this up on a turntable and then take a few pictures of it, and let me know what you guys think about that casting. Cool. Catch you next time.